It's fine. You should be able to see me now. There you go. So we're in my kitchen here. Sadly not the best camera quality, which, I mean, that's fine. We can try to make the lighting work a bit better. So it's not that bright and shiny. And yeah, as I explained, I'm gonna make a quick salad. We're gonna cook along and then we just go and have a good time. There we go. All right, let's get going. I hope this issue will not persist, and this is only limited to my kitchen where we don't have maybe the best connection area. I don't know. What do we need? I need at least onions. Nice pan, of course. And then we should get going. There we go. All right, we have everything here what we need. This is like the vegetarian doner meat I have, which I like. Onions, we have a nice salad, and cherry tomatoes, because why not? I love them. So, first thing I do is move the camera down here, so hopefully you can see everything. So you're gonna miss my face, but it's fine. I'm just gonna be like, hey! And then off we go. So, first thing I do, I need is cutting space. Move things around here. So I'm one of those people that just buys, you know, salads pre-packed. It's fine, I don't mind it. Sharpen my edge. Off we go. So what I want to have is at least, I'm gonna take those two smaller onions, put the rest away. Remove everything from the outer shell. Just make, you know, fried onions up, which go very nice alongside with the doner meat. I want to get rid of this hard outer shell, but not the actual good skin of the onion itself. There we go, nice and clean. Got that going. Try not to be wasteful here. Oh, barely possible. There we go, the second clean one. Getting some top cooking tips. Hell yeah, I try to. Oh. Let me just remove this here quickly to the side. It's gonna have some fat here in the pan. Standard cooking fat. I usually use coconut fat. Just much nicer. It also doesn't taste like coconut at all. There we go. People sometimes feel like if they use coconut oil, which I have here, it's just almost empty, you know. It would taste everything like coconut, but it's not true. It's just fat at the end of the day. Coming from the plant, and it smells nice, it smells great. But actually it evaporates and leaves almost no coconut taste behind. All right, so let's get cutting. Be careful here, we're not in a rush, we're not in a big kitchen, I don't need any knife skirts, I just need patience. And some nice onions, there we go. Again, I would love that my smartphone webcam would work, but somehow, again, it lost connection. So I'm just gonna use what's working for me, which is my laptop right now. Thankfully, there's this thing called OBS Ninja where I can stream a source to and can just embed that again into OBS itself as a browser source. That way, although my PC is not going anywhere, I can use mobile cams and webcam setups that work. Could maybe try to use that on my phone. Maybe that works. But we'll see. There's definitely more opportunities to get webcam going, to do more cooking. Because I will definitely cook tomorrow again, and we'll also cook in the evening. We're gonna make some nice burgers this evening, so look forward to that. I'm just very roughy here with my onions. I don't need anything specific, just like that. And then just get going. And yeah, this is the doner meat. It looks like this, really. Nothing too fancy. It looks a bit weird, but it's based on pea protein. So, completely plant-made. I personally like it. Some people don't. I think it's like super spongy. It's not as thin, you know. But I'm a big fan, you know. slap it all in here. Again, this is an easy lunch. This is nothing special, but I personally feel like it's great and gets me going. And especially because I'm really hungry right now. Like I was in the bathroom quickly and my stomach was like, so yeah, we got this going. By the way, I do hope the audio is nice. I'm using a wireless setup that I had right here. I tried it out here and there, but never actually used it live before. So yeah, just let me know in chat if you want to, if there's something that could be done better. All right, so I'm just gonna cut a few of these cherry tomatoes, which are pre-washed already. And then we're good to go. Gonna leave a few more for later. Put the rest away, just do a few more. And then where's the bowl? Well, here it comes. I would personally would just use the largest one and read straight out of here. Like nobody can stop me really. So in all this goes, it's a very nice salad. Has some carrots in there, some beets, stuff like that, you know. Putting in the tomatoes, and we're just waiting literally for everything to fry up here, which it will soon. Flipping everything over a little bit, and just need to wait. Meanwhile, I can get ready here. And as I said, I'm also gonna make a banana protein shake. It's gonna be fun. It definitely fills the stomach even more. And what do we need? Well, first, banana. 2 bananas here. I'm mixing some walnuts. I really like walnuts. And then, as I said before, this protein powder. Very nice. Plus a bit of, there it is. Just using soy milk. I really can't do well with natural milk, like cow milk. I don't know. It works for me to use soy milk, so I just keep doing it. And at the end of the day, it's just literally everything like that. Put it together. Oh. Nope, tore off the whole half. It's fine though. I'm using the protein powder here. Nothing left behind. You know, the walnuts. There you go. Just like that. Putting up the rest with milk. And we're good to go. And the cool thing is you can literally just have that over the course of the afternoon, which is definitely useful in a marathon like this today. All right, so let's bring you over here. There you go, there's my coffee corner and everything. And there's just my blender. So don't fret, I will turn off the sound for this section quickly. That'll be okay. And we're back. All right, take it off here. I'm gonna handshake it, but that's basically all there is to it. I'm gonna bring it a bit closer, not too close, but just a little bit, you know, keeping the distance here from the heat. It's gonna take a little while. Just gonna let it roast over. Always make sure to shake it afterwards. You know, what's poppin'? Hey Vermilion. Well, I'm just making some lunch, protein shake, salad here. Very nice. And then we're gonna move over to THPS 3. I was always thinking like, how do I make a marathon work like this? And I've been spending a lot of time, you know, making sure that I get all the stops. I don't want to, you know, overdo it, so I, you know, mess up my sleep schedule. I wanted to deliver also entertainment and different kind of stuff. And that's why I needed a mobile setup to make my streams work wherever I want to go, not just in my working room. So this is why I'm glad I have wireless microphone setup and everything, and that it works. So I'm getting ready here. So how do I prepare the salad here? It's super easy. All I just do is, there's some balsamico. I love that. It's great. Not too close here. Spray it all over there. It will make a great mix with the doner meat. And then just a tiny tip of sugar. But you could say, well, that's not healthy, making sugar into your salad. Well, just a tiny bit. Taking a bit of the edge from the acidity. And then just a spray of water. There we go. Can wait for everything to be ready. Just mix it together and then we're good to go. So yeah, it's basically my kitchen here. It's tiny, like super tiny to be honest. Like this is everything I have. But hey, it works for me. I'm living alone anyway, so this is what we do. Alright, this looks almost ready now. Alright, so I don't know if this is good to do, but I'm just gonna put everything in there as it is warm, especially. This will heat up the salad a little bit, but I kind of like it, Turn off the stove, as to not burn myself. Alright, so you gotta be careful, the stove is still hot. Just gonna put it here to the side. We're gonna use this one later again when we do the burgers for dinner. There we go. And that's basically how I do my salad. I'll just mix it over. It has a great part of protein, plant-based, but also a lot of, actual vegetables. Plus we have extra, protein here in the shake with the bananas and everything. It has also the sugar that I want. So I'll be hyped. And then we are ready to move over.